I'm very excited in offering online courses and teaching online because it offers us new technologies. So things like taking virtual field trips, doing data visualization through web mapping, inviting guest speakers from around the world to come and expose students to new ideas that they wouldn't have gotten otherwise on campus.
Forestry profs will give you the best education possible in an online environment, and you can just reach out for support.
Anytime they can post their question, and they can get support from us, from TAs, also from their peers. So that's how in online learning works.
I really like the flexibility that online learning gives me. Most of the lectures are pre-recorded, so I can always watch them anytime that I want.
It will be also a really enriching experience to students. They will be inspired to use technology. So I think it's a really good opportunity that, in my view, shouldn't even be missed.